Okay, so welcome back to my lecture, and now I want to show you how to install Minitab's program and how to use Minitab program. Okay, and firstly you have to download the setup file from my sites, from my websites, or from anywhere. I mean from the internet and so on. But from my website, so if you want to download Minitab setup file from my website, so you can go to my website like this and click on this link. Okay, hurry up, run, and then go down a bit and you can click on Minitabs 20 and then you can download it. Here, click on here. Hurry up, click on here. And or you can download Minitabs 20 from other websites, I don't know. But when you download it like that, now you have to unzip it, guys. Write down. We have to download, you have to unzip it by right click on that, right click on zip file and choose extract here. Guys, write down, right click and then choose extract here. Write down. Okay, and then you got the setup file minitabs.msi. You got that, guys? Yes, okay, very good. Now the next step, so double click on this file for me. Double click on minitabs20.msi. Double click on that. Okay, and then you choose yes if the computers want you to allow these apps to make changes. So you choose yes for me. Okay, so here's the next step, and then you click on next. Okay, to install Minitab, next here, click on that. Okay, and then you have to choose I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click here, tick here, meaning you have to accept a license agreement from producers. Click here, tick here, and then choose next, and then choose next. Click on next, and then clicks on next, and then clicks install. Install means cài đặt in Vietnamese, so click on install and then wait for that. So the program will copy some files from setup file to the computer. So wait, copy new files. Here you can see it's copying, so wait for that for some minutes, some seconds. So stay and relax and wait for, yes, and then very easy, right? And then you click on finish. Just finish, very easy, right? Click on finish. Okay, so now you can open it. Okay, so now you can open Minitab. So I show you how to open it. You can click on window button here, click on that and choose program and choose Minitab. Where's Minitab, guys? I have many here. And choose Minitab statistical software. Choose that, click on that, and then you can run you got Minitab like this. Okay, and for this window you just click on cancel or close it, because you know, they show us there some updates, some newer versions, but we don't need to download, so we just want to use version 20. So close it, close this table, or click on cancel, because we don't want to update new versions. We just want to stay with Minitab 20. So close it. You got that? So here's the main interface for Minitab 20. So got that? Okay, very good. So I close that. I click on close it. And the second way, you can click on this icon. So Minitab statistical software. Click on that. So you can see here I have many different programs for statistics. I have R program, I have JUMP, I have IPM, I have Stata, I have Oxygen, I have stat graphics, and so on. But in this course, I teach you Minitab. Why I want to teach you Minitab? Because it's very easy to use, simple, and it's not heavy, and very simple. And the second reason is that it's similar to Excel spreadsheets, quite similar to Excel. So that's why I want to teach you, because it's easy to use. Okay, so now open Minitab, open it. Have you opened it? Okay, very good. So open Minitab. Here, I want to show you something. So first thing, I want to show you this area. It's called data window. Here, you can see here's data window. So we can input data in this area, like Excel spreadsheets, very easy. So now I want you to input. Try to learn how to input data first. So now open the data here. Look, the number of tree per plot, and then I want you to input this data to Minitab. So you have to, hey guys, I want to show you how to make this area bigger, a little bit bigger. So you point to this boundary and hold the left mouse and move up, and then release the mouse. So you can see this area will be bigger. Okay, and this row, with the row, we can type the column names. So you can type number like that, number of trees per plot. So you can see, type number of trees / per plot like that, and enter. So you can got the title. This set row. You can see this row, the set row. You can type the variable names or the column names. So type it, and you can make this column bigger by point to this boundary, this one, and press and hold the left mouse and move to the right. Yeah, you can see, and then release the mouse, and this column will be bigger. Okay, and then you have to input all of them. 3, 10, 7, 7. 3, 10, 7, 7. Enter, just enter, like Excel spreadsheets, very easy. 7 and enter, 7 and enter. And then 9, 8, 11. 9, 8, 11. 458 458 458 578 578 578 9 11 10 9 9 11 10 9 and then 8 4 5. Okay, so so 8 4 5 is that fine? 8 4 5, yes. 7 8 9 7 8 9 7 8 9. Okay, 7 8 9 10 10 9 10 10 9. What else? 10 10 9 8 8 8 8 8 8 7 3 4 7 3 4 7 3 4 7 3 4 7 8 7 8. Okay, finish. So 34, you can see the order number here, 34. So we just input number of trees per plot. We don't need to put the order here because in Minitab they have. Do you finish? I mean, do you finish importing data? Oh, very fast, huh? You're very good. Okay, so very easy. Like Excel spreadsheet, you just input a boop, 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 boop. Okay, now write down. Now write down. I show you how to save this data to computer for later analysis. How to save? Very easy. You click on this button for me. It's Save Project. Look, write down. Click on Save Project. Write down. Click on Save Project. Or you can click on File and then choose Save Project. Or you can press, you can use two hotkeys, Ctrl and S. You can press Ctrl and S. Or you can click on Find and choose Save Projects. Okay. Write down first, and then you can do it. Write down first and then do it. Okay, and then you choose where to save it. In Organize, you choose I choose E drive, and then I open this folder, and I open this folder, and I open statistic scan or bachelor. No, statistic scan is bachelor. Okay, bachelor, and then I want to save statistics, and then I choose 2013, and I will make one new folder, and I type I name it Minitab data. Okay, I open it and I save here. So I type here is number of trees per plot. Okay, the plot, not S. Okay, so I name the file. I can name the file's number of trees per plot. So I name it, and I choose the folder to save here. Here is where I want to save the data files. Okay, name it, and then finally you just hit save here. Click it. Okay, so you see the data file and result and so on will be saved in your computer drives. Do you understand? it's very easy, like you save one Excel file. Do you understand? Yes, very easy. Again, you can click on here and then choose where to save and then name the file. Like you say Word file, Microsoft Word, or you say Microsoft Excel file, very easy. Okay, so now next one, on next step, I want to show you how to create this table. Write down. How to create frequency distribution table in Minitab. Write down. How to create frequency distribution table using Minitab. How to create this one using Minitab. Write down. How to, can you write that? Very easy word, right? How to create frequency distribution table, this one, in Minitab. Here's discrete variables, you can see that, and how to create that. Write down. Do you finish? Are you ready? Hương Duyên Hiếu, Vân Linh Khánh Mạnh Trang, where's everyone? So now I want to show you how to use Minitab. Hương Duyên Hiếu, do you finish? Okay, so write down. Go to start, write down, start. Look, start. Go to start. And then choose table. And then choose totally individual variables. So write down. Go to start and then choose tables and then choose totally individual variables. Write down first. Write first and then you can do it on your computer. Okay? Cái bọn này nó không nói cái gì nhỉ? Bọn này nó đang ăn trộm cái gì, sao mà nó cứ tắt mic đi nhỉ? Nó đang ăn trộm cái gì, đang ăn vụng cái gì, sao mà nó cứ tắt mic đi là thế nào nhỉ? Vào được cái chỗ đấy chưa? Ghi đi. Xong cái kích vào đấy. Okay. Okay. Now we continue. And then you choose, click here, click inside first. This box, guys, click inside first. And you can see the mouse like that, the typing mouse like that. Click inside this box, click one click. And then you choose this variable. One column is called one variables here. So you click this one, the variables, and choose select. Click on this one and choose select. Or you can double click if you want to. Two ways. Look, I can show you again. There are two ways to move, to choose the variables you want to create frequency distribution. One, you click on that and choose select. So you can see in this box will display the variables you want to create frequency distribution. Or you delete it. You can delete it and you choose again. So double click on here, double click, and you can see that again on this box. Okay, and then you choose cumulative count and cumulative count. Make sure that two boxes here are ticked. You choose two boxes, count and cumulative count. Count mean frequency. Count các em nhớ trong tiếng Anh nó nghĩa là đếm ấy nhé. Means đếm in Vietnamese, and it is frequency, tức là nó chính là tần số đấy. Cumulative count có nghĩa là tần số lũy tích ấy. Cumulative count means tần số lũy tích. So make sure that you have to tick two boxes here. So count means frequency and cumulative count means cumulative frequencies or relative frequency. This one is relative frequency also. Okay, and then hit OK. And then click on OK. So you can see result will display here. So this area, look, this area is used to display the results. So you can see the results here very fast and very easy, right? So the same results as us here. Here the same results. 2, 3, 3, and they ignore 0. They don't display 0. 6, 9, 5. So you can see here. 2, 3, 3, 6, 9, 5, 4, 2, and the total is 30. So you got that very fast. Is that right, guys? And relative frequency is 2, 5, 8. So it's like here, the final column, frequency, relative frequency 2, 5, 8, 8. So you can see here 2, 5, 8, 14, and so on and so on. Okay, but remember they ignore 0. Okay, very good, very fast. So when you use the program, when you use computer programs, so the answers will be very fast. It's very fast to get the results. Okay, now I want to show you how to use Minitab to create a frequency chart like that. Write down how to use Minitab to create frequency chart. To create frequency chart. To create frequency charts. To create frequency charts. Okay. Okay. Okay, so how to use Minitab to create a chart for this one. So write down. We go to graph, write down. Go to graph and choose bar chart. Go to graph and then choose bar chart. And choose bar chart. Write down. Yes? Okay, so later I will, when I check the attendance, so you can tell me. Thank you very much. Okay, so now continue with my lectures. Very good, thank you for that. Now you can write down graph and choose bar chart. Write down and then do it, bar chart. And then choose OK. And then choose OK. and then choose OK, and then click to this box, click here, one click, then click on the variable you want to create the chart, click here and click select. Same, the same procedures. Or double click. I often use the way double click, guys, because it's faster. So if I want to choose the variable, I point it and then double click, so it will move to the box here. So it's faster. Double click, it's faster. And if I want to delete it, I select that and delete. To delete the variables. So I often point to variables and double click it, so it's faster. Okay, and then you just click OK. So forget this button. So next time, or if you want to study more, so you can choose this one. But in this lectures, I just want to show you hit OK. And then hiya. Okay, so here you got the result, you got the chart for that. And then you got the chart for that. But it's column. Look at to this one. So I can show you the columns like that. Here. So it's not line. It's not line chart, it's bar chart. So it's like this. So they will draw one bar here. Yeah. And one bar is here. And one bar columns here, and then so on. Okay, so you can see on Minitabs they use bar charts like that here. So you get this one very fast. Done. Easy. So you can make the data area smaller by move it down like that, and you can see the results here. And now I want to show you something more about Minitabs to understand more. So here is output area, they call the result window, and here is data window, and here look at to navigator. So navigators will show you some contents of the data, of the results, contents of the results. So if you want to see the table, so click on here, so you can see the table. If you want to see the chart, click here, so you can see the chart. Do you understand? So they will show us the title or the contents you got. So if you want to see the table, you click on here. If you want to see the chart, click on charts of. And click save. Don't forget to click on here to save the data and save the results. Click on this button to save the results and save the data. And now I want to teach you something more. So you have to write down. Now I want to show you how to copy from Minitab and paste to Word and Excel file to present the report. How to copy it? Very easy. So you can point to this table, click on this one and point to this table. Right click on this bar here, this one. Right click and choose copy. Right click and choose copy. Okay, point to the table, this one, but point to set bar here, and then choose copy. And then you can open Word, Microsoft Word. open Microsoft Word and paste. Right click and choose paste. Paste here. Paste. So you can see they will copy and paste to Word for you. And it's a table also. So you can change it, you can change the color, you can change the number, and so on. So when you write the reports, so you have to copy and paste to Word file. You can paste to PowerPoint. So you can open PowerPoint like that, and you can paste here. Yes, you can see here. So they can paste to PowerPoint for you to present. Or you can paste to Excel. You can open Excel, Microsoft Excel. Open that, and then you can paste here also. So it will be pasted to Excel, pasted to Excel. So you can change the color in Excel. Change the color, you can change everything you want to. In Word, you can change the color, you can change the number, and it's up to you, right? When you write the report, when you write assignments, when you write reports, when you write thesis, so you can paste to Word file like that. Now, I want to show you how to copy and paste the chart. It's very easy. So click on the chart, and you right click on the set bar here. Right click, and you can choose copy graph. You can choose copy graph, and then you can open Word. You can open Word here. So you can see this will be pasted to Microsoft Word, just for you to present when you want to write the reports, when you write the thesis, and so on. Or you can paste to PowerPoint here. You can paste here. So this will be pasted here. Okay? Or you can paste to Excel. So it's very easy. Control V. You can use the Control V to paste. Ok. Cái gì chứ copy và dán em siêu đó, đúng không? Riêng cái gì chứ copy và dán em cực kỳ siêu luôn. Okay? Do you understand? Guys? Okay, very easy and very simple. And now I want to show you the next point. How to edit, how to modify the chart. For example, guys, look to the screen. I want to change the bar color to red. I want to change the bar color to red color. So how to change that? So if you want to change the colors, if you want to edit the chart, so just point to the chart and double click. Double click. Remember, point to the chart and double click. So the chart edit graph will be displayed for you. You can make that maximize like that, or you can make that smaller like this. It's okay, it's up to you. Then you can change everything. For example, you can change the if you want to change something on this one, so point that and double click. For example, if you want to change the color of the bar color, so point to the bar and double click. Then you can change the color, very easy. So fill pattern, so you can choose this one and choose this one and choose this one. So it's about the pattern. No, but I want to choose a color, right? So you background color, so you can choose the red one and then okay. So it will be changed. Double click and then you can choose custom and you can choose the background color to green one, and okay, so it will be changed. And double click and you can choose a pattern like that. Okay, so it will be like this. Do you understand? So, and for example, if you want to change the title here, if you want to change that, so double click on that, and then you can choose, you can type here again. So you can type frequency distribution. Okay, so it will be changed like that. Double click. Remember, if you want to change something, you can double click on that. Very simple. Double click, and then you can change the color. You can change the size. Make that bigger. The size here, so 20. So the text will be bigger. Change the color red. Okay, so the title will be bigger and the color will be changed. Got that? Ling, the room is very nice, huh? I can see one lady laying on the bed. Trần Khánh Linh. Okay, so you have to ask the lady and wake up and come here and study with me. The teacher is very good, so come and study. And then when you finish, look guys, when you finish changing, you hit OK. So you can got the result here. And then you can click on the chart and copy it and paste to Word. Paste that. And then you can get the different results here. Before changing, like that, before changing and after changing. Okay, so do you understand, guys? Yes, and then you hit this one, save project, to save everything, to save the result, to save the data to the computer. Click that. Okay, that's it. And today we will stop here. Okay, and I will post the videos on my YouTube channel for you to watch my lectures again. And now I want to check the attendance. Before stopping, I want to check the attendance. Okay, so wait for me. I want to check the attendance. Okay, so Duyên, Hoàng Thị Mỹ Duyên, yes or no? Trịnh Thế Hiền, no. Trịnh Thế Hiền. Hoàng Trung Hiếu, Nguyễn Thị Hoa, Bùi Thu Hương, Nguyễn Huy Khánh. Lúc mà điểm danh thì nó nói rất to nhé. Okay, so I just want to stop recording for this lecture first. So thank you very much and see you in next lecture. No, but I will continue attending lecture, checking.